Right, well, welcome back to Nuts and Fishing. We've done a very early session on the canal today. Yeah. And yeah, so we've set up. Before anyone starts, we tossed for the we tossed for the pegs, and this is probably the best peg on the canal. If you know how to fish it. And anyway, so yeah, so we got her here at 3:30 in the morning with starlights on our floats. Anyway, because it's supposed to be hot tomorrow. So anyway, but yeah, so I've had 3 skimmers, 4 skimmers, 3 skimmers. I don't know, but we have a miserable northern monkey, aka Banana Man. This man here, see that man there, right. He's right miserable. He wouldn't do a vlog because he didn't catch anything big. Anyway, well we'll see you in a minute, and yeah, peace out. We have a miserable northern monkey, and yeah, but yeah, 3:30 in the morning we got here. So they're either stupid. Well, it's what he wanted to do, not me. So but yeah, I think it's at 5 in the morning now, actually. Yeah. Come on. As you can see. Yeah. So we're on the Canadian canal. I don't even need to put it in that catch the fish. Steve's getting miserable. Steve's getting pissy. Anyway, we'll come back to you. Again, we've got miserable. Miserable. But there's only one person who said let's come up this time. Like he's got his only got his husband. Huh? Huh? He's just moaning it's too early. bleeds for him. Yeah. Nice. Beauty about it today is now no one's here. No one to no one to piss Steve off. And yeah. And we're catching a few fish, so well someone's got to bog us bit. Hey? Come here. Come on. Gosh, shut up. The way I was thinking it was us being noisy. What is dickers? But yeah. So, yeah. Anyway, come back. That's a bream. Hey? What's in there? Huh? I didn't knock the tank, no. I didn't? Oh no, because you didn't want to do it, so someone's got to do it, funny. Just talk to somebody who can catch fish, me. Didn't we swap? Didn't we toss for it? Yeah. You would have picked it, and you still would have blanked. Yeah. Well, you didn't win the toss, did you? I don't mind, mate, because how many fish you had? How many fish you had? Sorry, mate. You had a few. What, tiny little things? Sorry. Now he's perked up a little bit. Well, no, it's bigger than yours, isn't it? It's like taking candy from a baby, this isn't it, eh? Funny looking maggot, though. This is bronze maggot. Eh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a proper bream, that is. Oh, that's a proper bream, that. That's a problem. That is a proper. Oh. That's a proper, that is. So was that, yeah? Yeah. Like that. Oh, hey. But Steve, you can say what you want. You lost the toss, and that's it. You lost the toss, and that's it. Stop bitching. Why? No, because no, I wouldn't, because you got to know how to fish it. No, because we tossed for it, and I won, and that's it. You can't complain, but you will. God, he's like an old granny, mate. He is. He's getting his ass kicked, isn't he? Getting his ass kicked by the missels. Well and truly. Oh yeah, of course you do, of course. Yeah. When I went for bream, yesterday, oh whatever, you tell what you want. When did I say when I'm going to say when did I say you're going to have a bag and peg? You want them because you know that's it. You want them, and that's it. I can't. The last match I decided to go for bream, and that's it. If it worked, they were there. They were there. If it weren't, they weren't. Have you? Have you? You got you can for another 3 hours, have you? What's that? Hybrid? I don't know. Yeah, possible. Hybrid? I don't know. Nah, that's not a hybrid. If it is, big hybrid. It's not a hybrid. Well, hey. I think so. Hmm? Oh, well. You just let me catch all the fish. Oh, this is brilliant, mate. This is brilliant. Oh, you picked it. You picked it. You did? You did? Did you pick a peg? Did you pick a peg? You. What do you mean? What do you mean you didn't? Yeah, how did you draw it? What's that? Oh, it's a fucking. Oh, it's. It was a it was a squirrel filling the canal. Yeah. Well, no. If it was a grey squirrel, the grey squirrel was horrible. Yes. Double worm. And just was it half 5 minutes, half 6 o'clock? I wouldn't worry, mate. I wouldn't worry. You haven't caught much until have you? Oh, listen to him. Sorry? Ah. 10 to 7. Oh, God. Yeah, bloody noisy thing. Thank you. Oh, you mother. I won't swear. I will not swear. I will not swear. I will not swear. I will not swear. Hey? Okay. Gutty twat. You want to do it? Yeah. Just no, that's right. Chatting to the thing. Anyway, so just I hope everyone's okay. Got some fishing still here. We've just been we're doing a fair few matches. Like the last weekend. No. When did we go swim clearing? The other week, innit? Yeah, went swimming clearing the other week, and we had a match now. This is just before the match. Well, no, the day before, a couple of weeks before the match. And literally, no rid of a lot, eh? But yeah, I'll show you the picture. There was bream all over the place, and I drew the exact same peg. So why? Well, that's your problem. You wanted to. You said he's complaining. Mr. Long, Mr. Banana Man is complaining that he doesn't like getting up. Well, he's the bloke who said get up at 3 o'clock in the morning. What, you were in it? You were asleep in the van in your car, were you? What, 2 in the morning? Serious? Okay. But yeah, like I said, and then I drew the exact peg, the area, one of my favourite pegs. Eh? No, it was literally nowhere near like bream across the river. So yeah, I went for them, and Mr. Long beat me. Yeah, he beat me. Yeah. Anyway, well, that will come back to you. Been up since 3:30. Yeah. Come here, safe. I don't know why. Why the hell did you say get up at 3:30 in a fucking in the morning?
Because one, it was going to get boiling hot.
Right. Well, that's the point.
It hasn't.
Where's all this sun? You say it's 30%. You're saying it's supposed to be 30 degrees.
It will come. And
that's funny looking. There's no sun here, is there?
Hang on. What time is it now?
It's just coming up at 8:30.
Right. Look, we're just starting now with the boats.
Right. Yeah.
So as soon as them boats come, you know it kills it. So we fish the best time. You've caught loads of fish. and I've had a few fish, but,
Oh, yeah, but
obviously
still.
not in the best place.
Still, mate, what can I say?
Yeah,
You're still.
yeah.
Anyway, let's. Okay, I'm gonna.
However, it don't matter because I've caught a few fish. You've had a lot of fish, but you've been on the hot doggers, the best.
But like I said to you, like I said to you, didn't we toss for it?
Yeah, we did, and you won.
There you go. I won, and that's it. You would have been on the.
So you were the better tosser.
Well, there you go. I know. I'm a massive tosser. I'm a massive tosser. But
However, yes, no, it was really good. For the time we had, brilliant.
Yeah. But
It just proves something, doesn't
it was worth getting. It was well for me.
It doesn't matter. We'll try somewhere else.
Well worth getting up at R3.
But it proves something, doesn't it? It proves the earlier
The earlier start, yeah.
you get the fish, and
especially on the canal. They're on this canal.
Yeah. And then as soon as it goes pear shaped, that's it.
We can go.
Yeah, you might as well just go home and have the rest of the day to yourself.
Yeah. But yeah, anyway, we are still here, aren't we? We are still here. We've just been doing a lot of matches, and you know,
too many matches. To be honest.
You've beaten me, but it's nothing like no massive weights. There's been like £2, £1 in it.
Yeah.
No real big.
No, it's not
No,
much between them. Yeah.
But anyway, well,
but yeah, have a bath.
we're closing out, and I'll show you my fish. I'll show you Steve's fish.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah, it'll be alright.
And then that's another video done.
Aye.
Anyway.
So you've done alright with them.
Well, come at you.
Right. Like I say, it was just the quality of the fish were better, not the quantity.
Yeah, it's alright.
See, they're not that many, but
that's alright. Not bad. Perch and a nice bream.
Yeah.
Not bad.
No, it's nowhere near where you've got about 40 odd pounds.
No.
Shit,
I ain't got £40.
no, maybe 20.
Possible.
Should have 20, shouldn't you?
15 maybe. But yeah. Yeah, we're both knackered now, so and plus the
The boat just started.
the boat has started, and normally our canal, this canal
Dies.
It dies about sort of as soon as the first boat comes past. Anyway, I'll come and do mine.
This is Adam's net of fish. Obviously you can see, well I won't show you where, but you will see there's a fair old head of fish in here. There we go, let's have a good look down there. Yeah, some nice bream there in there, crackers.
Yeah. There we go. But yeah. Just talk for a minute.
Yeah, so as I say, we've had a good day, well, a few hours, so it's not bad for a couple of hours fishing, is it? Anyway, I would like to say thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed Adam's catching, and you'll see you sometime on the bank.
Yeah.
Final words?
See you later.
Oh, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press a few likes if you like it as well. Cheers.